Hey guys, Anthony here at CES 2014. We've got some early access to the booth here. They are still constructing it behind us. We wanted to give you a preview of everything that you're going to see on the show floor this week. I got Jeff with me, who is the Director of Home Audio for Sony. Tell me about high-res audio, because this is something that we've been hearing a lot about.
That's correct, and it's a great thing. It's a renaissance of audio that we're seeing now. So you're all familiar with MP3s. MP3 quality, it's way down here. Everybody knows they're compressed. We've been sacrificing audio quality in order to get convenience, accessibility, and portability. Now what we have is the ability to take MP3, go up to CD level, go up to SACD level that is much, much better quality, and you're getting that high level of quality now in a digital file that's easy to use.
Okay, and you've previously announced and released a couple of these high-res audio players, right?
That's correct.
And so this new product that you guys are announcing now, tell me a little bit about what's different, what's new.
So some of the stuff that we're doing, first of all, we're taking the products that we launched already and we're expanding on that. So we launched an ES product that has a 1 terabyte hard drive, another product below that at $1,000 that has a 500 terabyte hard drive and an amp built in, and then a USB asynchronous DAC that you can connect to your PC. We're expanding beyond that into AV receivers, home theater systems, and this cool product here, which is a wireless high-res supported product as well.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about this product. So what can we play on it? How does it work? I know previously some of them had to be part of your home theater system, but this is standalone, right? Correct.
This is a standalone product, and it's very versatile in what it can do. To play high-resolution files on this, you connect it to your PC via USB. It also supports asynchronous USB to get the best quality sound. You're then going to take files that you've downloaded onto your PC, and you can pass them via USB onto this and output playing through this great 2.1 channel system.
Okay, so let me ask, for these high resolution audio files, I go, like right now I go on Amazon, or I go on iTunes, or I go on Google Play or whatever, and I just download the music that I want. Where do I go if I want to get high res audio?
So there are numerous audio enthusiast sites that support downloads of files up to DSD or even double DSD. Of course, let's remember that this will still work with all of your MP3s and anything in your library already, right? It basically decodes anything. So
currently not as available as MP3, but is this something that we're seeing the industry embrace?
It's something that has been embraced by record producers, by the labels themselves, by the engineering, and most importantly by the artist, because the artist wants the consumer to experience how they intended that music to be heard.
And of course this will play all my other stuff as well, right?
That's correct.
So I've got my MP3, I've got like things like FLAC and AAC and all that stuff?
It'll basically support everything from MP3 up to FLAC, DSD as well.
Awesome. And so what about if I use streaming services primarily? Which I know streaming services, even in comparison to MP3 sometimes, cannot be the greatest quality. But does this have streaming support built in?
So certainly you'll be sacrificing audio quality to get that, but this is a very versatile product. It supports Wi-Fi. You can stream services built in from this, including Spotify, Pandora, Music Unlimited, and vTuner. Okay. Not only that, but it supports Bluetooth. So you can stream from your phone. It's got support for aptX and AAC as well, so you're getting the best quality Bluetooth that you possibly could, streaming from, let's say, Spotify from your phone directly into this product.
And then if I want to control it, talking about from my phone, if I'm not streaming an audio source from my phone, can I also, is there an app that I can use as a remote?
There is. There's an app that we'll be launching called SongPal that will support fully all the control of this device, including some of that streaming services.
So obviously the high-res audio technology is the amazing part of this, but I want to talk a little bit about the physical specs of this as an audio player, right? Is this a 2.1? What's going on?
This is a 2.1 channel. It's got a bi-amped subwoofer on it. It also has dual passive radiators, 154 watts, and obviously has a beautiful design that we're calling our definitive technology design.
Okay. So tell me also, you're supporting all of these audio formats. This is made to deliver high resolution audio. Is there something in there, like if I play an MP3 at a lower bit rate, can this do some post-processing to it?
Yes, this as well as the ES product that I talked about before actually has what we call our digital sound enhancement engine. Basically what that's doing is it's taking an MP3 and it will upconvert that to near high resolution audio quality. So even your MP3 library is going to sound better when listened through this device.
What other technologies does this support for streaming?
So this also supports Airplay, so from your Apple devices, you've got no problem getting your content. It also supports DLNA as well.
Cool, and do we have any idea about price point and availability for this?
Price point still not announced, but this will be expected in the spring.
Cool. You know, what other sort of stuff are we going to be seeing this high-res audio in from you guys soon?
So for high-res audio now, in addition to the other products that we've already announced, at CES this year we're going to be announcing AV receivers that support high-res audio, some new home speakers and PC speakers that will support. Obviously we've got great headphones as well that will support high-res. So now really it's a breadth of product from the home to on the go, across the board. You're going to really be seeing support for high-res audio.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Jeff, for bringing this by. And remember, we have tons more from CES 2014. Be sure to be following the hashtag SonyCES on Twitter and subscribe at youtube.com/signal.